Mommy does kind of run out of milk halfway through, so we're supplementing with formula. So thirsty. Yeah, yellow's the one. Do you want to go out now? Is it too hot?
Come on, princess.
Miss Princess,
Come on. No,
come
come
on.
on.
Good drink.
You wanna go outside?
Go on. Go get some water. Go get a drink. Go on.
Yes, ma'am.
Good girl.
Miss Princess.
When they're separating like this, that means they're all warm enough. When they're huddling, it can be warmer. Your flow is not the best back there. Let's go.
Red is an active little guy.
I know you hide in white. Come on. Over here. I'll take the camera. We can go outside. I'll get those packages. Princess, come on.
Yeah, what if you leave?
I gotta get shoes too. I think they're upstairs. Oh, I wish Mommy would help out with cleaning the puppies. She didn't push them. She was asleep, so I get it. They're not so bad in between feedings, but the feedings are very in-depth. Hey baby, you want some more food? I hope by the time they're making bigger you're cleaning them up yourself, Princess. You don't want to be alone right now. I get it. Hey Mama, come here. Let's go. Let's go outside. Looking like she needs to go potty. Let's go potty. I know it's bright. It's bright. Come on, girl. Whew. Jesus. Come on, sweetie. Come on, Princess. Let's go potty. Come on, Princess. Let's go potty. Go on, Mama. Princess, come here. Good girl. Good girl, Mama. Hi. Did you go potty? Did you go pee-pee? Did you go poopies? There she goes. That's good peeing. Good girl. Good pee-pee. She's like, I know I did good. Thank you. Want to go back in? Come on, Princess. Go to your box. Come on, Princess. Princess, let's go. Come on. Box. Let's go. You're gonna have to lay in it. There's over here more. Okay, girl, come here, Princess. Go back to your food and your water. You don't have to go to that box, actually. Just over here. Come on, lay down, Mama. It's hot. Come on, baby. There you go. Good girl.